Hi, it's Dr. Epstein. I'm with a wonderful 9.5 months, 1,930 or so FUE grafts done for frontal thinning. Patient's got a wonderful result. You can see his befores. We can see he really had very little hair here. Most of this was very fine miniaturized hairs. And you see what we had here, very little hairs. Now we're going to go ahead and come over here, and you see what we were able to do. He wants to keep private, but you can see how nicely his hair restoration came out. He really has just a really nice look at 9.5 months. We basically did all this area. What makes it look so natural, besides the fact that the lots of single hair grafts are used on the hairline, is that the angulation of the hairs were such that they were growing really far forward. So it's what makes it look fuller and also makes it look more natural. Puts his head down. We basically did this whole frontal area. What we're going to be doing in the future is going further back, probably to around here. And then lastly, with his hairline, doing a little bit of lowering. If you come around the back, you can see the donor areas. When you use such small donor areas, chin down just a touch, thank you. And you can see, come up closer, Cindy, you can't even see any of the scarring. Look how nice, get a really close look at that. Even when you go so close up, there's no signs of anything with the FUE donor sites were. So as I said, we'll be going back and doing another procedure on him. He's happy, really happy, I'm happy. Anyway, this is Dr. Epstein, thank you very much.